Okay, 3 more rungs to go until I reach the shock absorber. I'm gonna make the rest of my way there. Once I'm on the bottom rung, I will notify Houston and stand by. I am now on the bottom rung.
Okay, roger that, Neil. And if you're ready to take the first step, Neil, it's all yours. We can see you from the ground. It looks good.
Okay, I have quite a bit of distance here. I'm going to jump down to the shock absorber of the LEM leg. And from there, I'm gonna make my way to the lunar surface. Okay, I am now on the shock absorber. Here we go. Stand by. One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. Houston, Neil Armstrong is on the surface of the moon.
Okay, roger that, Tranquility. We copy you on the surface.
How does it look down there, Neil?
Well, it's powdery. It's more like it's more like the beach down in Florida, compared to the desert that we were turning in. Okay, I observed that the landing leg is about an inch or two into the surface. I'm making my way to the making my way to the base. Okay, stand by.
And okay, Tranquility Base, let's switch to ground now. Sorry, air to ground.
Roger. I am, okay. Okay, I'm shutting off the flare recorders in 3, 2, and 1.